Many reasons exist why a garage door will stop working. You could possibly notice that your garage door is having problems going down or up. It can possibly increase with an angle, or maybe you may not be able to open or close the entrance in any way. In some instances, this will be a mechanical issue that requires an adjustment. In other circumstances, you may want to have your electrical system repaired or replaced. Because of this, it is appropriate to make contact with a neighborhood garage door repair business. This is why you should be contacting my company, Garage Door Repair Simi Valley CA, if you are experiencing any of these problems.